Hi bestie, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a everyday eye look on my eyes, and I'm using a palette from Essence, which is Counting Hearts. This is the eyeshadow palette. So I have this for a while, you guys, and I haven't used it for a while. So I am just going to try it out and see if these color are still working in this eyeshadow palette. So today is like just an everyday eye look. If you're going out and you don't want a lot of eyeshadow colors, this is something that would really you could pay attention to. This is something that really would do. Eye color is something that I like. Summer, winter, fall, spring, it doesn't matter. I love color, and I have no problem with color. So this has a lot of natural in it, and you have a lot of greens and blues and dark colors. So it's up to you whatever you like to wear. But as for me, I don't have a problem with color. So just going to blend it here. So guys, how was your Mother's Day weekend? As for me, I didn't do much. Yeah, I didn't do a lot. I just stayed home. I was home with one of my grandsons. So that was my, I don't know, he always like, oh, sometimes you ask him to come over, he don't want to, and another time he, oh, I want to come and spend the night. So, you know, that was good to have him here. But, and I didn't cook on Mother's Day. I have my daughter, one of my daughter bring over dinner for me for Mother's Day. That was good still. I'm not fussy, and I eat less than what I usually eat before. I don't eat a lot, so that's very good. I don't eat a lot anymore. I'm trying to see which color here I can use on my eyes. I want to put a color here on my brow bone, and I'm going to go into this sort of champagne-ish brighter look. I like underneath my brow bone to be has really of a nice clear color. So I'm just gonna dash this one here. I'm saying dash, yeah. I'm just gonna dash this color underneath my brow bone here, and see how it goes. So then I'm gonna take a little bit of this color, which is one of these color here, and put it at this outer corner of my eyes, because as I said, it just everyday makeup eye look. As I said, it's just an everyday eye look. So I'm just gonna put this color right out here. Just gonna put this color right here, and you can see these colors still work perfectly. They're very pigmented. They work pretty good on the eyes, you know, work pretty good still. You can see they work so gorgeous. They are so beautiful color. They're gorgeous eyeshadow. You know, I don't know. It's a while I haven't seen nothing new in Essence. There was time when you go to the drugstore and you could find Essence, like the one I see here, like they have it for a while in the drugstore, and then you know they don't really come really pretty often. And it's okay for me because I'm a go buyer right now. I'm not really buying makeup. You know, I will try do things like this before I start to buy all this makeup. I wish I think about all this before I have so many. But I wasn't thinking. I was like, oh, Every time anything new come in the drugstore or Sephora, I would go and get it. Now I'm not doing that anymore. So now that I put that color, I want to put something on my lid here, and I'm using my finger. And for sorry about the finger. I did them, but they were coming off, and I'm trying to get them off and give my hand a break. So I want to go into this color, and I'm gonna see how it look here, and I'm just gonna apply it to my eyes here. And it's like a silverish looking color, but it's very beautiful color. And when I said beautiful, it's beautiful. And it also applied beautifully on the lid with your finger. Sometimes you have color and you take it up with a brush, like color like this, and it doesn't really take onto the eyes like how you would use your finger here and apply the color to your eyes. So I'm gonna go right back into this color right here, and I'm gonna use my finger this time and just apply it just to the outer corner. And if you can see, I'm not applying a lot. This is how it looks. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna apply it. Then I'm gonna get a blending brush here. These are one of my old Wet n Wild. I'm just going to blend the two colors together, like to blend them in together so they don't have like a harsh look. But this is just simple. So I'm blending the two colors together. And this is just something that I don't need anymore, like any more color. This is just these two color. I'm going to apply it to the eyes here, just these two, just these two color. I'm just applying them and blend them together. And although I'm blending the blue or this color to this, it doesn't come way down, like it just, you know. So this is how the eyes look after applying just two color, because I don't need a lot of color. Just like if you're going out and just need something simple on your eyes, this is what I would do to be looking simple. So you guys, I'm going to apply some mascara, an eyeliner, and some lipstick, and then I'm gonna come back. So my friend, I am back, and this is everyday makeup look. Not a lot of colors. If you have eyeshadow and you have different color, mix them. They will work for you. And also, you going out, I like to wear bright lipstick, but sometimes I like to go with a natural lip. So I mix two color, a lip gloss, a pencil, and just a little lipstick together. So I have a natural look on the eyes. I have I think green and silver and a little bit of pink, which work fine. And all I do just add on some mascara to my eyes. So this was the color, the eyeshadow palette I used from Essence, and it is Counting Hearts. This is it, you guys. I have this for a while, and I like to revisit my eyeshadow palette or my makeup. I like to revisit my makeup when I have them, see what's work, and if they don't work properly, then I have to declutter. I declutter. Right now I need to be decluttered, but I like to revisit. So this is how my eyes look. Simple but natural. Okay, so I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your love and your support on my channel. God bless you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.